Alright, what's up everyone? My name is Brandon. Today I'm going to be talking about the Metaverse, the actual Metaverse. Start off real quick. The Facebook Metaverse is different than the actual Metaverse, right? So the Facebook Metaverse is Mark Zuckerberg trying to make his whole VR, AR world, whatever he's got planned. The actual Metaverse has to do with NFTs and art and making communities and building. It's crazy. I've done so much in the past week just from doing this journey. So I'm here to help you guys hop in and maybe go along with us through this whole thing. So let's get it. Welcome to my channel. Thanks. All right, we're gonna start a fresh browser, right? We're gonna go down, open up our browser, whatever, Google Chrome, web, MetaMask extension, right? MetaMask extension is what we want. MetaMask extension, MetaMask. It'll take you to the Google Chrome store and add that MetaMask account to your extensions. It'll be an extension on your Google Chrome, right? You're gonna pin it, put that little pin, so that way it's always at the top right, so you can click it whenever you need it. Little fox follows your mouse. He's pretty cool. This is where you will start to make your own account, right? Like making out any other account. I fucked up here. So once you make your account, make your password, it's gonna give you a key phrase. It's gonna be a bunch of random words. Make sure you keep that key phrase in somewhere safe. Make sure you have that for forever, because if you lose that and you mess up your account stuff, you'll lose the whole account. So this right here is my MetaMask wallet. If I click my name right there, it'll copy and paste my wallet number. I thought it was scary at first, but it's not. Whenever you copy and paste right there, it'll pull up the wallet number. That is my wallet number, right? So copy and paste wallet number right there. You have it available. What you're gonna use that for is like if you're in a stream and they do a giveaway, they say, boom, Brandon won a giveaway. I just go there, copy and paste my MetaMask wallet, and then paste it to whatever stream thing, and boom, I get my NFT, right? So after you make your MetaMask wallet, you're gonna go to Decentraland.org. Gonna bring you to this screen right here. You're gonna get started. Press the get started button. This is where the MetaMask comes in. You're gonna log in using your MetaMask, right? Press continue with wallet. It's gonna bring up the whole login with your MetaMask thing. It's gonna bring up the whole MetaMask thing. And you're gonna log in, put in your password, and it's gonna say accept a thing. As long as you read what that thing says on the right, it says like this won't have any transactions. It'll tell you what it's doing. As soon as you log in, it's going to start loading you in, and boom, you will end up at the spawn point, the Genesis Plaza. This is a place where you will meet your first other characters, and this is the start. This is where you can start walking around and doing things in Decentraland. Click the links down in the description. There are a few Twitch streams that will also help you get started. They help me get started insanely, so let's get it. Yo, what's up? Thanks for watching. I do gaming videos over here, and I also do other stuff over here. Please comment if you want some more NFT Decentraland stuff. I'll teach you how to get some NFTs if you want. Just let me know. Like the video. Thanks. Subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.